Hello, my name is Donna Perry,
Loud.
and I'm a student in Multisensory Math 1, Summer 2017. My focus of the lesson is repeated addition by using groups of 5. In this lesson, I have already completed a warm-up of previously learned concepts, including recognizing numbers, transcribing random numerals, using a number line, and math facts. Kitty, do you know what repeated means?
It means doing something a lot of times, a lot.
Very close. It means using the same thing over and over again. I'd like to talk to you about another word, which means many. The prefix multi means many. See, multi means many.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know any words that have the word multi in it?
No, it's kind of hard to think of it.
Yeah, it's a little hard. Well, here's one. Multicolored. Okay? So that's many, multicolored. So that means many
colors.
Very good. Another one would be multicultural. So multi means?
Many.
Okay, so multicultural would mean?
Many cultures.
Very good. The last one I'd like to give you as an example is multi-talented. So that would mean, multi means?
Many.
Okay, so multi-talented would mean?
Many talents. Somebody has many talents.
Very good, very good. The idea that we will work with today is the multiple, many, adding of the number 5. You're using 5 many times over and over. It's called repeated addition. Okay, so now we're going to explore repeated addition using groups of 5. And we're going to do that with my favorite activity, strings with wings. Okay, so I'll put this in front of you. Mm-hmm. And I'd like to tell me, what is the first group here of what number?
This group has 5.
Very good. So if we take that 5 and add another group of 5 to that total, what would the total be?
10.
Very good. Can you count
10.
that?
5, 10.
Very good. If we take that 10, total of 10, and we add another group of 5, what would the total be?
It would be 15.
Excellent.
Show it.
Show it.
5, 10, 15.
Good. If we take the sum of 15, the total of 15, and we add another group of 5, what would the total be?
It would be 20.
Good. Can you
show it?
Count it? Okay. Show it.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Good. Can you do the last one yourself?
Okay. If I have a sum or a total of 20,
mm-hmm.
and I add another group of 5,
mm-hmm.
now my total is 25.
Good. Good.
So it's
5,
10, 15, 20, 25.
Good. How many groups of 5 is 25? You can count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have
How many
5.
times did you repeat it?
5.
5
Okay.
times.
And
Good.
It equals 25.
It equals
25.
Good. Now I'd like you to try a different material. These are Unifix cubes. We've used them before.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me how many are in that group?
It's 5.
Good. Good. Now I want you to take another group, connect and count that. Another group of 5.
So
it gives you a total of
10. 5, 10.
10. Good. I'd like for you to take another group of 5 and add that to the total of 10.
10, and I'm adding 5, so now I have 15.
15.
5, 10, 15.
Good. So add another group of 5 to the 15. And what's the total?
Oh,
15 plus?
20.
Good, good.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Great. Can you do that last one yourself?
I have a total of 20. I'm going to add another group of 5. So it's going to be 20 plus 5, 25.
Good. How many?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Great. Can you tell me how many groups there are?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 groups of 5.
So 5 groups of 5
equals 25.
So now you've repeated the number 5 times. Good. Now I'm going to give you, do you think you'd be able to draw groups of 5, draw 5 groups of 5 using different colors? Good.
That's 5. It's 5.
Very good.
4, 5.
Good.
And now we have 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5.
Very
groups of
good.
5.
Can you, how many, write down below the first group how many that is.
Right.
The number?
Numeral?
The numeral, yes. And we're going to, since we're doing repeated addition, I'm going to have you add how many are in each of these groups using a numeral.
5. Add 5. 5. And then,
What does that equal? Why don't you count it first?
okay, equals 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Very good. And count how many 5s there are.
I have 5 groups.
Okay, so how many times are we repeating 5? How many times?
5.
Very good, very good. Now, I'd like you to, we're going to use my counting chart, and I would like you to find the number 5 on that chart
Okay, right here.
and circle it. Good. Now, if you take that 5 and you add 5 to that number, you get a total of 10. You take that 5,
And
take that 10 and add 5 to 10,
I have
a total of
15. And
Now,
then
why don't you do the rest?
I take the total 15. If I add 5, I now have 20. And if I have 20 and I add another 5, I now have 25.
Good. Can you count those by 5s in sequence?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
How many circles are there?
I have 5.
So how many groups of 5 are there?
5.
5. Very good. Now, finally, I wanted to see, do you think that you can write a number sentence adding 5 repeatedly to reach the sum of 25?
Okay, the green marker. So I have to write a number sentence, okay?
Yes, using 5.
Okay.
Just 5 repeatedly. Visualize that.
Okay.
So start with what number?
5 plus 5
Mhm.
plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 2, 3, 4, 5
Excellent.
equals 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25.
Very good. So this is repeated addition using the number 5.
Repeated 5
5 times.
And it equals
Equals?
25.
Very good. Thank you. This is the end of the lesson.